You should replace the oxygen sensor when the oxygen channel cannot be set to 0 with an oxygen-free sample, or when the oxygen display cannot be set to 20.9% by performing the demand 0 function, or when the oxygen reading drifts noticeably. For example, if the O2 reading varies from 20.5 to 21.5 while you view the display over a few seconds. To replace the oxygen sensor, take the Eagle to a non-hazardous location and turn the power off. Unscrew the two large screws on the top of the case, then carefully lift it and lay it aside. Locate the oxygen sensor. With the batteries closest to you, the oxygen sensor is at the bottom left corner of the sensor block. Unplug the cable leading from the oxygen sensor at the large multi-pin connector. Loosen the screws on the metal strap that covers the oxygen sensor. Push the strap downward and away from the screw that is closest to the battery compartment. Remove the oxygen sensor. Install the replacement sensor in reverse order.